Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffern here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Brought to you by Grok Trade. Well, let's talk about a trade that we had in the GrokStar Trading Chat Room this morning on COUP. It's coupon.com, C-O-U-P. Here it was right after, here's the opening line. And it had gone up significantly, but it was dropping just before opening, and then boom, took off, and now was pulling into this symmetrical triangle. If you want to know more about a symmetrical triangle, you can go to our recently revised site here, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Go to Chart School right here, and then you can look under Trading Patterns. This is just a second way to get to it. And this is a bullish one, the symmetrical triangle breakout. And here it is, a picture of it where it's getting tighter and tighter, ready to break out. There's a written definition of it here. And then look at down below here. And look at, here's a little button. You could even print this out if you'd like to study it. And then here's a couple of examples here of symmetrical triangles in real life charts. And I even have a video attached of one that from a couple of months ago that I recorded, just showing you how that they can act. But I'm about to show you another example right now. So you said we're looking for this symmetrical triangle, we're looking for it to break out. We're getting our trade set, and let's watch what happens next. Boom, 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 there it goes, and it ran right up to here, and I got in at $9.92. I am long on COUP. And so we're going to set our stop right down here at about 1. And we'll start to move up. It pulled back a little bit, and then boom, look at that, going up, and now it's above $10. Now I've got over 1% in the trade. Now I'm pulling my stop up here, up underneath this 8 EMA, just below break even. Let's see what happens. Boom, boom. Oh man, we got to pull it down here now. Now it's up to 1042. Alrighty, it's really pulling up there. Now it's just stalled up here. So and pulled back a little bit. So I went ahead and I took out half right here at $10.40 for 4.9% on the first half. So I'm going to set my stop here just below this 8 EMA because it was way up here, and now it's pulled back almost 2%. I want to at least lock in some of this on the second half and maybe get a chance to run out. Oh good, doing a bull pullback, and bam, look at that. Close below that 8 EMA and stop me out here at $10.24 for 2.3% on the second half. So let's take a look at this first trade. And here we have a symmetrical triangle, broke out, and then we just managed it until it stopped out there when it broke the 8 EMA, exponential moving average, for 4.05% in 12 minutes. But we're not finished yet. If you look here, I just drew in this, just now setting up into another symmetrical triangle, also known as a bull pennant. When it's after a run up like this and it starts to pinch, that's also known as a bull pennant, but it's a symmetrical triangle. So set our order here, and boom! Look at that! Look at that! Boom right there! And I'm in this time at a much better price at $10.41 as it broke out from there. And look at it go. Boom, boom, from 1040 to 1090 in 2 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm getting a half order ready, and it pulls back, and I got out here right at $10.80 on the first half for 3.7%. And I immediately changed my stop to match the shares that I had left and moved that up here underneath this 8 EMA right there. And it looked like that 70 was going to stop there, but it didn't, and it just dropped below there and stopped me out for 2.1% on the second half. So in this trade, this bull pennant or symmetrical triangle, and boom, we took out half when it looked like it was hitting a high, and then took out the other half when it broke the 8 EMA. So this time, why was I only taking out half? I was trying to let the second half run even further, but in either case, it didn't happen. So we got total trade on this one was for 2.9% in just 6 minutes. So these two trades together were for 6.9% in a total of 18 trading minutes. Hoo-ah! We went on to make it did another symmetrical triangle here, and it just broke out a little bit. It only made about 1.3% on the next trade. And currently, as I'm recording this here at 2:20, this line right here is the current price on coupon.com or COUP. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffern. Hey, I just want to remind you that we want to cut our losers short and let our winners run. Trade well.